question 618, asked by the Honorable Reverend Meshoe to the Minister of Police. The Honorable the Minister.
Thank you very much, Chairperson. Yes, the following plans have been put in place to boost and improve the quality of investigation of rape cases. One, the South African Police Service has formed partnership with the relevant stakeholders and continuously engages with key departments, namely the Department of Justice and Correctional Services, Department of Health, Department of Social Development. The above-mentioned stakeholders enable a more comprehensive approach to dealing with rape cases. Furthermore, investigating officers and their team leaders are provided with training and development in accordance with identified skill gaps. The SAPS has established a partnership with the National Prosecuting Authority in terms of which cases, which gender-based violence cases, including rape, have outstanding forensic reports, are prioritized by the SAPS forensic laboratories for analysis and provisioning of the required report. On this score, working together of the police laboratories and the NPA, a total of 16,078 cases from the beginning of July 2021 to date have been fast-tracked and taken to court. Thank you very much, Chairperson.
Thank you, Moruti Meshoe.
Thank you, Chairperson. We know that about 5 women are raped every hour in South Africa. And rather than them getting justice for being violated, they are being failed by our weak justice system, which reportedly leaves 9 out of 10 rapists free to rape again. The most important aspect of all rape investigations is the gathering, testing, and matching of DNA samples. Yet since June 2021, the backlog of DNA samples waiting to be tested at our forensic laboratories has grown to about 81,291. When rape cases reach court without DNA evidence, then the chances of convictions become very low. What I want to know from the Honorable Minister, in spite of what he said about partnership with other stakeholders and also prioritizing police cases, can the minister say to the public, there is hope that this unacceptable situation will ever change under the present government that has failed the people of this country, particularly women and children, for the past 28 years? I understand that strategies are being spoken about all the time, partnerships with community members are being spoken about all the time, but that has not produced desired results. What makes the minister convinced now that these partnerships that have been taking place all these years are going to bring desired results this time, and women and children will then be free to walk in their streets without fear of being attacked and raped? Thank you, Chairperson.
Thank you. The Honorable the Minister.
Thank you very much, Chair. Chairperson, maybe the Honorable Member Mfundis has not been very much blessed with the update of the matters of the forensic laboratories. The figures that you speak about, which was a backlog, was 541,000. That was first or last quarter of the previous financial year. That will be January to March. That ring-fenced backlog has been reduced up to date to 71,000 from 241,000. We expect that backlog to be finalized by December so that we go back in working on the ordinary, normal way of responding to this DNA and other tests. On the question of the court-ready cases, I have given the figure that we developed a relationship with the NPA to say those will be fast-tracked. The number 16,078 falls in that category. And we have corrected the situation, Chairperson, that has put us on this backlog. There were 16 unsigned or unrenewed contracts from the side of the South African police. That has been corrected. There's been the reduction of staff in the laboratories by 76 human beings. That has been corrected. There is a building up of the laboratory of Eastern Cape, which is at Gqeberha, which will take off all the weight from the Western Cape down there, which is finished in come February. And all these capacity we're building, including the overtime, will be kept there so that we don't go back to the situation where we had this. We are working, and indeed that will be resolved permanently. Thanks, Chair.
Thank you.